Mistral, the European AI company, just announced a complete new product called Le Chat, the cat. In English, in French, you say Le Chat or Le Chat. So I think they made a little bit of a play with the words. Well, this video is all about this brand new product, what it is, and how you can use it. It's available now for you on chat.mistral.ai. And I will go through the announcement rather quickly. The all-new Le Chat, your AI assistant for life and work. Brand new features, iOS and Android apps, Pro, Team, and Enterprise tiers. So they kind of attack OpenAI and all the other AI providers now with a fully featured AI chat product. That's cool. Today we unveil the latest Le Chat, a comprehensive AI assistant for your life and work. Access the latest news, plan everyday life, track object, etc., etc. We are introducing Pro and Team tiers of service as well as an Enterprise tier for private preview. And starting today, Le Chat is also available on iOS, Android, and soon on private infrastructure for your business. That's very interesting. So they not only publish it for the broader public using services, but they also seem to take this, privacy issue very, very close. So obviously, Mistral is also open source. I made a video about the Mistral Small 3 model recently. And so it seems that they also serve that. I don't know exactly what that means. But then why Le Chat when there are other AI assistants? That's a very good question. So they tend to focus on fast as flashed, powered by the highest performing, lowest latency Mistral models and the fastest inference engine on the planet. Le Chat reasons, reflects, and responds faster than any other chat assistants, up to 1,000 words per second. So that's a very high number. Well, we call this feature Flash Answers, and it's currently available in preview to all users. Interesting. So let's see the video. So they just ask one simple question, and maybe there is a performance comparison between it. Whoa, very, very fast. That's amazing. Curious about the quality. Yeah, grounded in diverse information, Le Chat combines the high-quality pre-trained knowledge of Mistral models with recent information balanced across web search, robust journalism, social media, and multiple other sources to provide nuanced, evidence-based responses. The best upload processing in the world, Le Chat image and document understanding is powered by the best vision and optical character recognition OCR models in the industry, ensuring high accuracy across complex arbitrary files such as PDFs, spreadsheets, log files, etc., etc. Imagery also. In place code execution and analysis, we are also introducing code interpreter in Le Chat. Very, very interesting. So they're not only launching a simple chat UI, but actually they already come with a code interpreter, which enables users to perform sandboxed code execution, science analysis, create visualization, and run simulations. This feature makes Le Chat a practical tool for validating algorithms and exploring data insights. Let's watch that video rather quickly. So the prompt is a mathematical one, I guess. And then, so it seems to understand math and then also can create these nice looking graphs. Amazing. This is really amazing. And the code behind it. And then I guess you can run it. Oh, okay, so this is already the plot of that code. Very interesting. State-of-the-art image generation. Le Chat's image generation is powered by Black Forest Lab Flux Ultra, currently the leading image generation model. They seem to partner with another company to provide cutting-edge image generation. I think this is a very interesting strategic decision. If they don't have that strong image generation, why publish a baked module, a half-baked service. Why not join forces with others? Use Le Chat to generate anything you can imagine, from photorealistic images to shareable content and corporate creatives. Nice. Yeah, if you compare the quality, I mean, okay, you can say depending on the prompt, you can do also nice pictures in other image generation AI systems, but this definitely looks nice. Affordable, yes. Well, let's talk about pricing. Aligned with Mistral's AI's mission of democratizing AI, Le Chat offers the vast majority of its features for free. Latest models, journalism, image generation, document uploads, and more, with upgraded limits for power users starting at $14.99 per month in the Pro tier. So, this is interesting. As far as I know, the OpenAI premium account is $20, so it's cheaper. And as I read it correctly, you can use everything for free, but obviously with a potential radical limit, so you cannot use it that much, but then obviously you have to upgrade. Enterprise deployments across SaaS, on-prem, and VPC with custom models under the hood. For enterprise use cases, we just launched a private preview, which allows you to deploy Le Chat in your secure environment, connect with custom tools, and use customized models that best understand your enterprise contexts. Yeah, I mean, this is certainly interesting. What I don't get out of, let's say, the business model of Mistral, for me, this sounds really like a service, like an individual service for enterprises. So if they want to scale their own business in a good way, they have to build out customer representatives and they have to do projects with clients, while other AI companies actually focusing on building good models and providing APIs, and then maybe with super high-end clients, you can build custom stuff. But yeah, it seems that Mistral also have this strategy to make projects for enterprise clients, which I think is interesting, but more on the scaling side of things. Yeah, we'll see how that ends up. And also this means for, let's say, other consultancies also, as we do as NetNode, we also, help clients creating AI solutions. And then, we also build front ends and, actually integrate privately run LLMs or run LLMs through APIs. So this seems to be like a competition situation. So will we also provide Mistral if they do also services? I don't know. We will see how that develops and what actually this means for them. Data connectors and multi-step agents coming soon. Okay, so they have also an agent system coming up. You will soon be able to plug in Le Chat in your work environment, document, email, messaging databases with granular access control, and create multi-step agents to automate the boring parts of your work. Very interesting. We'll see how that means. So what can you do with it? Getting high quality answers. Okay, we already covered that. Obviously, the quality is the defining factor. Use it for personal growth. Okay, they just list a couple of use cases. Simplify planning. All right. Okay, build personal micro apps. Okay, that's also interesting. So let's quickly watch this video. So they ask, create, analyze. Oh, okay, you have some kind of agent. Analyze my current. Okay, so it kind of integrates with custom APIs, and then you can build these micro apps, which is very nice. And then so it's okay. So it's like a mix of the artifact system and maybe also with Canvas, something like that. I should play with that, but very interesting. Get contextual assistance anywhere in a different country. Le Chat can help you translate, going on volume. Okay, this is just another use case. Stay up to date, keeping breaking news, sports scores, stock trends, global events, and hundreds of other topics. Le Chat helps you stay connected in the latest ongoing world events, ensuring that you never miss a beat. I think this is very interesting. it seems that they understand that it's not only, a knowledge system where you ask questions, but actually kind of not a news portal, but a way where you can expect to have up-to-date information. I mean, this is a reason why I don't use OpenAI for, let's say, consuming up-to-date information, because I don't really trust OpenAI that they know it. And also, if they made that, Mistral, if they made it with their chat solution, integrate that very well, I think this can be a very big advantage, especially if it's super fast. I played around with the chat a little bit, and it's fast, and also it can find accurate information. I think there must be much more testing and see if that really works. Okay, more use cases like get personalized recommendations, okay, etc. Upload and analyze. All right. Yeah, I mean, there is many use cases. They seem to just list everything out what is possible. Nice. So you're starting today. You can download Le Chat on App Store, and you can also use it on the website. I will show it. No credit card required. To experience Le Chat without limits, you can buy a Pro tier. If you would like to use Le Chat with your teammates, you can buy the team, etc. Okay. Hey, nice, Mistral. That's very cool product. I also checked the score or the ranking of downloaded apps for my market, Switzerland, and Mistral is in productivity app on rank number 5, which is, I think, quite an achievement. If I see it's only out since yesterday, and the news also needs to spread out. So I mean, a quick demo here. I logged in. I have the free version here, and so how high is Eiffel Tower? I think this should be super quick. Boom. Okay, we have it. That's nice. Now make an image of the Eiffel Tower. Let's see if it can do. So now it's probably calling the other company's API. It's kind of reasoning here. Oh, okay, nice. That's wonderful. Cool. So they also have this canvas mode, as I understand. So I want to enable canvas. Write a blog post about Eiffel Tower. See how that works. I like the UI. It's super clean. It feels very polished. It's very nice. So is that fast now? I'm not sure. Okay, here is the blog post. 23 seconds is quite some time. Okay, interesting. So let's try create a small React app with the stock price graph of Apple and Nvidia. Let's see if it can do. I haven't checked that before. Okay, now it's explaining me how I can do that manually. Here is the implementation. Oh no, now it's actually building it. Is that true? No, not really. Or maybe I just have to wait. Oh no, it's going on. Yeah, I assume that on the free chat, it's kind of lining up because potentially I have lots of traffic now on inference. So now I'm kind of, it's maybe smaller than if I would pay for it. Okay, right. Yeah, I mean, I should play around with that much longer. Highly recommend to check it out. It's a European AI company, super like Mistral. Perfect launch. I like it. So if you like videos like that, please consider subscribing. And until then, see you in the next one.